Once I figured out how to build an automated mobile business that I could run from all over the world, so many new and exciting opportunities open up. I have the freedom to spend more time with my loved ones. I travel the world. I launch new and successful passion projects. I just bought my dream home in Puerto Rico. And you know what? It's pretty dang easy.
Starting on September 28th, my partner Chad Nicely and I want you to join our live 3-day experiential virtual business building masterclass.
We'll show you everything, including a simple plug-and-play system that generates hundreds and hundreds of leads every month, increases conversions through the roof, and it can be done from just a laptop or a phone from anywhere. Actually, you know what? We won't just show you. Chad and I will actually walk you step by step through the process. You'll actually have results on the masterclass.
Click the link either above this video or below and reserve your spot ASAP, and then mark your calendar for September 28th.
Chad and I will help you design your dream online business that gives you the freedom to spend more time with your family and pursue your passions. Access our powerful new marketing software that adds rocket fuel to your growth and saves you tons of time. Plus, it includes a digital bribe that prospects find irresistible and will even help you generate leads and actually find your next customer, even if it's your first, in real time. Click the link either above this video or below and reserve your spot ASAP. And mark the date on your calendar because you have to be there live to win real prizes like vacations, camera equipment, studio lighting packages, and more. As a matter of fact, every live attendee will walk away with a free gift. All you have to do is show up and play full out. This is going to be a blast. So don't wait, click the link and register for the masterclass. Entrepreneurs are the only people that will work 80 hours a week so they don't have to work 40 hours a week for someone else, but that doesn't have to be you. You can have a lifestyle business, a business that you can run from anywhere in the world, and you can have more fun. So go ahead and get registered for the workshop right now. We'll see you live for 3 days. It'll be incredible. Do it now.